Since the dawn of time, formidable energies have controlled the universe. And the most potent and purest of them all is fire, a pulsating force with the power to renew, to inspire, to create, and most of all, to transform. It is this vital energy that has inspired our revolutionary platform, OJA, a name derived from the Sanskrit word OJAS, which means energy, with game-changing technologies in connected intelligence, productivity, and automation. The future of farming is here. Welcome to Mahindra OJA, the powerhouse of energy.